Welcome back to Healthy Lifestyle Tips. Today, we're diving into a topic that is important for men looking to start a family or maintain their reproductive health: increasing sperm count. Low sperm count can be a major concern for couples struggling with fertility, but there are several natural ways to enhance sperm production. So, gentlemen, let's explore some lifestyle changes and habits that can help boost your sperm count and overall reproductive health. 1. Maintain a nutritious diet. The impact of diet on reproductive health should not be underestimated. What you eat plays a crucial role in not only your overall well-being but also your sperm count and quality. To boost your reproductive health, it's essential to incorporate a balanced diet that provides the necessary nutrients. First and foremost, focus on consuming a wide variety of fruits and vegetables. These colorful powerhouses are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help support optimal sperm production. Berries, such as blueberries and strawberries, are particularly rich in antioxidants, which help protect sperm from oxidative stress, a major contributor to sperm damage. Citrus fruits like oranges and lemons are also excellent choices as they are high in vitamin C, an antioxidant known to enhance sperm quality. When it comes to vegetables, leafy greens like spinach, kale, and broccoli are highly beneficial. They are abundant in essential vitamins, including folate, which is crucial for healthy sperm development. Additionally, these vegetables contain antioxidants that can neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, promoting better sperm health. Whole grains, such as brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread, should also be included in your diet. These complex carbohydrates provide a steady release of energy and are rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and overall nutrient absorption. By opting for whole grains, you can maintain stable blood sugar levels and support hormonal balance, both of which are essential for optimal sperm production. To improve sperm quality and motility, it's crucial to consume lean sources of protein. Incorporate lean meats like poultry and beef into your diet, as they are excellent sources of essential amino acids and zinc. Zinc, in particular, has been shown to play a vital role in sperm production and maturation. Additionally, legumes such as beans and lentils are great plant-based protein options that are also rich in zinc. Don't forget about healthy fats. Including sources of healthy fats in your diet is crucial for reproductive health. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon and sardines, as well as in flax seeds and chia seeds, have been linked to improved sperm quality. Nuts, such as almonds and walnuts, are not only rich in healthy fats but also provide a good dose of vitamin E, another antioxidant that can enhance sperm health. 2. Stay hydrated. Drinking an adequate amount of water is not only crucial for overall well-being but also plays a significant role in maintaining optimal semen volume and sperm concentration. Water is essential for the production, transportation, and maturation of sperm cells. It helps ensure that semen, which contains sperm, is of sufficient quantity and consistency to support successful fertilization. Dehydration can lead to a decrease in semen volume, making it more difficult for sperm to reach their destination during intercourse. To stay adequately hydrated, it is generally recommended to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day. However, individual water needs may vary based on factors such as climate, physical activity level, and overall health. It's important to listen to your body's signals and increase your water intake if you feel thirsty or notice darker urine, as these can be signs of dehydration. While water should be your primary source of hydration, it's crucial to limit your consumption of sugary drinks. Excessive intake of sugary beverages like sodas, sports drinks, or fruit juices can have a negative impact on sperm quality. Studies have shown that high sugar consumption can lead to reduced sperm motility, morphology, shape, and overall fertility. Opting for water or natural fruit-infused water instead of sugary drinks can help maintain your reproductive health. In addition to water, certain fruits and vegetables with high water content can contribute to your hydration goals. Foods like watermelon, cucumbers, oranges, and strawberries not only provide water but also offer essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall reproductive health. 3. Moderate exercise. Engaging in moderate physical activities, such as jogging, swimming, or cycling, can do wonders for your reproductive abilities. One of the ways exercise contributes to increased sperm count is by boosting testosterone levels. Testosterone, the primary male sex hormone, plays a crucial role in sperm production. When you engage in moderate exercise, your body releases endorphins, which stimulate the production of testosterone. Higher testosterone levels, in turn, lead to a higher sperm count. Additionally, moderate exercise improves blood circulation throughout your body, including the reproductive organs. By enhancing blood flow to the testes, exercise ensures that an adequate supply of oxygen and nutrients reaches these vital organs. This improved circulation optimizes the functioning of the testes and promotes healthy sperm production. While exercise is undoubtedly beneficial, it's important to remember that moderation is key. Intense or excessive exercise can have the opposite effect and temporarily reduce sperm production. Overtraining or pushing your body to extremes may cause hormonal imbalances that hinder the production of healthy sperm. Thus, finding a healthy balance and listening to your body's needs is crucial. Incorporating moderate exercise into your routine doesn't have to be daunting. Choose activities that you enjoy and can sustain over time. Jogging, swimming, cycling, or even brisk walking are excellent choices for promoting overall health and enhancing sperm count. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise most days of the week to reap the maximum benefits. 4. Manage stress. In today's fast-paced world, chronic stress has become a common challenge that can take a toll on various aspects of our health, including sperm production. Stress triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that, when consistently elevated, can disrupt the delicate balance of reproductive hormones, leading to a decrease in sperm count and quality. Therefore, it is crucial to find effective ways to manage stress and promote overall well-being. One powerful method to combat stress is by practicing mindfulness techniques. Mindfulness involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment, allowing us to develop a greater sense of self-awareness and reduce the impact of stressful thoughts and emotions. It can be as simple as taking a few minutes each day to focus on your breath, observe your surroundings, or engage in mindful walking. By incorporating mindfulness into your routine, you can cultivate a calmer state of mind and mitigate the negative effects of chronic stress on your reproductive health. Engaging in hobbies and activities you enjoy is another effective way to manage stress. Taking time for yourself to participate in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment can help alleviate tension and promote a sense of relaxation. Whether it's playing a musical instrument, painting, gardening, or pursuing sports, these hobbies provide an outlet for stress and allow you to shift your focus away from everyday pressures. Remember, finding time for self-care and doing activities that bring you happiness is essential for your overall well-being, including your reproductive health. 5. Avoid harmful substances. Excessive alcohol consumption is known to have detrimental effects on sperm production and quality. Alcohol interferes with hormone production and can disrupt the delicate balance of testosterone levels in the body. This disruption can lead to a decrease in sperm count, impaired sperm motility, and abnormal sperm shape. It's important to note that even moderate alcohol consumption can have adverse effects on fertility, so it's best to limit your intake or avoid alcohol altogether if you're actively trying to increase your chances of conceiving. Smoking tobacco is another habit that can significantly impact sperm health. The harmful chemicals found in tobacco smoke, such as nicotine and carbon monoxide, can impair blood flow to the testicles and damage the DNA within sperm cells. This damage can lead to decreased sperm count, reduced sperm motility, and increased abnormalities in sperm shape and size. Furthermore, smoking has been associated with a higher risk of erectile dysfunction, further compromising reproductive health. Recreational drugs, including marijuana, cocaine, and anabolic steroids, should also be avoided if you're aiming to increase sperm count and quality. These substances can disrupt the hormonal balance in the body, leading to decreased sperm production and impaired sperm function. Marijuana, for instance, has been shown to reduce sperm count, motility, and sperm concentration. Additionally, some studies suggest that marijuana use may affect sperm DNA integrity, potentially increasing the risk of fertility issues and genetic abnormalities in offspring. It's essential to remember that the negative effects of these harmful substances on sperm health can be long-lasting. The impact may persist even after discontinuing their use. Therefore, it's crucial to make a concerted effort to avoid these substances altogether. 6. Prioritize sleep. Adequate sleep is vital for your body's overall rejuvenation, including sperm production. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to promote healthy hormone balance and optimize reproductive function. Establish a consistent sleep routine, create a comfortable sleep environment, and limit electronic device usage before bed to improve sleep quality. 7. Maintain a healthy weight. Obesity has been linked to decreased sperm quality and fertility issues. Maintain a healthy weight by adopting a balanced diet and engaging in regular physical activity. Strive to achieve a healthy body mass index, BMI, within the recommended range to optimize your reproductive health. Gentlemen, by incorporating these lifestyle changes into your daily routine, you can take proactive steps to increase your sperm count and improve your reproductive health. Remember, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or if you're experiencing persistent fertility issues. Take charge of your health and embrace a healthy lifestyle for a brighter reproductive future. Stay tuned for more valuable tips and advice on healthy lifestyle tips. Until next time.